Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying home this quarantine time. I thought I will share you an interesting DIY to make at home this quarantine time. Let's begin with the lip balm. To make this, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lip balm base that I bought from weatheroils.com. Using this base, we can create different flavors of lip balm very easily at home. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. If you want colored lip balm, add a piece of lipstick to it. If not, this step is optional. Now we will add few drops of essential oil to it. I'm adding the lemon essential oil from Weather Oils again. Now we will melt this using double boiling method. Once it has turned liquid, we will transfer it to a container. I bought these lip balm containers online. You can use any old lip balm containers to store this. The lip balm looks absolutely stunning. The color looks very pretty. It came out really well than I expected. This is the lip balm after multiple swatches. Let's do a fresh swatch test and see. This is the intensity of the lip balm. You can also build up the color intensity. Next, we will make a lip scrub. Take a mixing bowl. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Adding 2 teaspoons of honey. We are adding 2 teaspoons of almond oil. Mix it well. Transfer it to a container. Now your homemade lip scrub is ready to use, which is 100% natural, and it repairs and restores your chapped and dull lip. To make the lip serum, we will be adding 4 teaspoons of beeswax. Adding 2 teaspoons of cocoa butter. I will leave the ingredients link in the description box. Adding 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. We will melt this using double boiling method. Once melted, we will put this in the freezer for 5 minutes. After that, we will grind this in a mixture. Grind it until you get something like this. The consistency should be very smooth like a lotion. Now our homemade lip serum is ready to use. Use this once in the daytime and once before you sleep. You will notice the visible difference in your lips becoming smooth and soft day by day. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you're bored at this quarantine time, try making this natural homemade lip balms, lip serums and lip scrubs at home. And do take care of your skin and body as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.